Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we will be learning how to create a Dropbox account. Creating a Dropbox account is easy and free, so let's get started. First of all, open up your Google Play Store or your App Store and download the Dropbox application on your smartphone. Now, go ahead and launch the app open like you normally do. In the first welcome screen, you can go ahead and continue signing up with your Google account, Apple ID, or continue by entering an email. I'm gonna type in an email address. After typing down a valid email address, click on Continue. On the next page, enter your details such as your first name, last name, email address, password, etc. After creating your details, tap on Agree and sign up at the bottom. Now go ahead and answer some of the questions, and then you can choose to continue with the free plan or explore paid options. You can get free trial for 30 days, so go ahead and choose one of the options and subscribe for paid plan. You can also continue using Dropbox for free. Now on this page, you can go ahead and turn on your camera uploads or manually select pictures that you'd like to save or store on Dropbox. And that's how you can easily create a Dropbox account. You can start uploading your documents, photos, and videos to the cloud, safe, accessible, and easy to share anytime, anywhere. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.